How many villages did Deshmukhs typically control? A. Fewer than 20. B. Exactly 100. C. Between 20 and 100. D. More than 100. The correct answer is C. Between 20 and 100. How did Europe gain more knowledge in mathematics? A. Through trade with China. B. Through direct contact with India. C. Through ancient Greek texts. D. Through the Arabs. The correct answer is D. Through the Arabs. What does the presence of glass beads at archaeological sites indicate about the people of the Sangam age? A. They only used beads for decoration. B. They imported all their glass beads. C. They knew how to make glass beads. D. They traded primarily in cotton. The correct answer is C. They knew how to make glass beads. Where has evidence of gold smelting been found? A. Alikkamedu. B. Keechdi. C. Adichanallur. D. Patnam in Kerala. The correct answer is D. Patnam in Kerala. Which year marked the break of dawn for Gandhi's significant march? A. 1930. Born in 1932. Circa 1922. D. 1924. The correct answer is A. 1930. Where did the Munda rebellion primarily occur? A. Bengal. B. Rajmahal Hills. C. Ranchi. D. Odisha. The correct answer is C. Ranchi. In what configuration were the pillars of the assembly hall arranged? A. In 4 rows. B. In 2 rows. C. In 3 rows. D. In a single row. The correct answer is A. In 4 rows. Where was Hassan Suri the ruler of? A. Delhi. B. Lahore. C. Agra. D. Sasaram in Bihar. The correct answer is D. Sasaram in Bihar. When did the struggles for independence in Haiti take place? A. 1750 to 1760. B. 1791 to 1804. C. 1850 to 1860. D. 1810 to 1820. The correct answer is B. 1791 to 1804. Who reached Vellore Fort and attacked the rebel force? A. Colonel Gillespie. B. William Cavendish Bentinck. C. Lord Dalhousie. D. Major Coots. The correct answer is A. Colonel Gillespie. How many temples are located in Pattadakal? A. 20. B. 10. C. 15. D. 5. The correct answer is B. 10. Who is credited with the development of large-scale manufacture of steel in India? A. Jamnalal Bajaj. B. Azim Premji. C. Ghanshyam Das Birla. D. Jamshedji Tata. The correct answer is D. Jamshedji Tata. What style did the early Chola architecture follow? A. Pandya style. B. Pallav style. C. Chalukya style. D. The text does not specify a style. The correct answer is D. The text does not specify a style. How were the Panch Pandava Rathas constructed? A. Carved out of 5 different rocks. B. Constructed using sandstones. C. Carved out of a single rock. D. Built using multiple small stones. The correct answer is C, carved out of a single rock. Who is the author of Complete History of the World? A. Chris Hallman. B. R.D. Cornwell. C. Richard Overy. D. Harper Collins. The correct answer is C. Richard Overy. What did the Ajivika sect deny? A. Piety. B. Idol worship. C. Friendship. D. Charitable acts. The correct answer is B. Idol worship. What types of artifacts from Kodumnal indicate textile production? A. Coin hoards. B. Roman ships. C. Precious stones. D. Textile and spindle whorls. The correct answer is D. Textile and spindle whorls. Which group were the early Pallav rulers' feudatories of? A. Satvahans. B. Cholas. C. Pandyas. D. Cheras. The correct answer is A. Satvahans. What specific system did Muvalur Ramamirdham Ammayar raise her voice against? A. Female education. B. Child marriage. C. Widow remarriage. D. Devdasi system. The correct answer is D. Devdasi system. What is another name for the Hinayana sect? A. Middle path. B. Greater vehicle. C. Lesser vehicle. D. Enlightened path. The correct answer is C. Lesser vehicle. What is a chaitya in Buddhism? A. A Buddhist shrine or meditation hall. B. A living quarter for monks. C. A monument over Buddha's remains. D. A type of religious scripture. The correct answer is A. A Buddhist shrine or meditation hall. What is the name of the disciplined brotherhood formed by Guru Nanak's successors? A. Seva. B. Panth. C. Khalsa. D. Sangha. The correct answer is C. Khalsa. Which Indian state was the first to join the subsidiary alliance? A. Awadh. B. Udaipur. C. Gwalior. D. Hyderabad. The correct answer is D. Hyderabad. What institution was founded by Jonathan Duncan in Banaras? A. A Sanskrit college. B. A Tamil college. C. A medical school. D. A technical institute. The correct answer is A. A Sanskrit college. Periyapurnam was compiled by whom? A. The Delhi Sultanate. B. A courtier of Aurangzeb. C. Sikh Izhar. D. Muhammad. The correct answer is C. Sikh Izhar. The advent of the Europeans is covered in which unit? A. Unit 4. B. Unit 1. C. Unit 2. D. Unit 3. The correct answer is B. Unit 1. What happens to seeds that fall in riverbeds? A. They are eaten by fish. B. They sprout easily. C. They are washed away. D. They remain dormant. The correct answer is B. They sprout easily. What was one of the three major national women's organizations mentioned? A. National Council of Women in India. B. The Indian Women's Federation. C. The National Women's League. D. All India Students Association. The correct answer is A. National Council of Women in India. Which site provided evidence for the existence of prehistoric culture? A. Adichnallur. B. Payampally. C. Kiladi. D. Porunthal. The correct answer is A. Adichnallur. What role did Buddhist Sanghas play? A. Building monasteries. B. Collecting alms. C. Propagating Buddha's faith. D. Writing scriptures. The correct answer is C. Propagating Buddha's faith. How did you score?